Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn what is the difference between DAX and Power Query. Power Query is a tool that comes along with various Microsoft programs, and the language used in Power Query is M. So what does Power Query help us with? So Power Query helps us to transform the data to prepare the data for analysis. So it helps us structure our data in a manner so that it is easy for us to ask questions from the data. For example, now we have a data set and we don't need some columns that is probably unnecessary for our analysis. We can just click on the columns, we can just delete it. We can split the columns, we can make joins in the data, we can even add a couple of tables as well to the data if we want to. On the other hand, DAX uh, is a language that allows us to ask questions from our data and do our analysis. So even though you can make some degree of transformations to the data as well, but it is not recommended for you to do it using DAX because it does not allow you the flexibility to go back to the previous steps and make some corrections if you want to make it. So let us have a look with the help of an example. So over here I have already imported a sample data set over here. So I'll just right click and go to edit query. So this is the query editor. Over here you can make multiple transformations on your data so that it is ready for your analysis. For example, I have multiple columns over here, and I may not require all the data over here that is present. For example, I have date over here, and I may not require these three columns that is a split between all the components of the date. So I'll just select all these three columns, just right click and remove columns. So it is removed from my data set. Let's take another example. For example, the unit sold that I have over here, it is in decimal right now, but I want it to be in a whole number format. So I'll just select the column. I'll go over to transform, just select whole number from the data type drop down. So my data is now converted into a whole number. It is no longer in integer format or decimal format. So after my transformations are done, I'll just go to file, click close and apply. It will take a couple of seconds and my data will be ready. On the other hand, over here if I click on this small icon, so this is the data model, and I can write DAX conditions over here. I can write DAX language over here. For example, I want to put a condition. Let's say I want to filter out the rows, write 1 against the rows that has gross sales of more than $1 million. So what I will do over here, I'll just click on add new column. I'll just give a name to the column, greater than 1 million. I'll just write a condition if gross sales, so you'll automatically get it, is greater than $1 million, then write 1, else write 0. So this is very quick and responsive, and this has given me an output which is giving me 1 against all the rows that has a gross sales of greater than $1 million. And this is how you make changes or do your analysis through DAX. So I guess you would now be acquainted with how what is the difference between DAX and Power Query. Thanks for watching this video.